Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding XRP on Robinhood and want to move it to Coinbase Wallet for more control or better staking options, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk through how to transfer XRP from Robinhood to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for any platform updates, as crypto rules can change. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Robinhood and Coinbase Wallet. If you haven't already, download the Coinbase Wallet app and create a wallet. It's free and secure. Once you're logged in, head over to your Robinhood app and navigate to your XRP holdings. Check your balance to see how much you're working with. Next, in Coinbase Wallet, go to the Receive section and select XRP. This will generate a unique wallet address. Copy it carefully, as you'll need it for the transfer. Now, switch back to Robinhood. Find the Withdraw or Transfer option for your XRP. Select XRP from the list of assets, enter the amount you want to transfer, and paste in that Coinbase Wallet address. Before you hit Confirm, take a moment to review everything. Double-check the address to avoid any costly mistakes, and be aware of any withdrawal fees or network confirmations required. Once you're sure, go ahead and confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation notification, and the transfer should process on the blockchain, typically within a few minutes to an hour, depending on network traffic. After that, jump back to your Coinbase wallet and refresh the app. Your XRP should appear in your balance soon. Congrats! You've successfully transferred your assets. Remember, always keep your crypto secure with strong passwords and two-factor authentication. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.